Welcome to computer coding class. Today our program is how to connect Python with MySQL database. Here I am using Windows 8.1 operating system as a platform, so this program will only run on Windows. I am using Anaconda command prompt for running the program. You can use simple Windows command prompt for running our program. Front-end language is Python 3.7 for writing the program. Backend RDBMS is MySQL. For MySQL, I am using Web Server 2.0. Here we are using Apache Web Server as a localhost. It comes with a Web Server, so no need to install separately. Notepad for writing program, you can use Spider or PyCharm. We will have to install MySQL Python connector driver separately. Root is the default user of MySQL. Password of root user is 1234. You can change. MySQL database is CCC. Our table is EMP employee table. First of all, I will start web server. This is the MySQL console. Our password is 1234. This is MySQL. Show tables and show database, both are commands. Here first command is show databases to show all the database of root user. This is the CCC database I have already created. So first of all we will insert in our CCC database using use command. Now we will show tables of our CCC database. That is the EMP table which we will use to connect. So now we will show all the records of the EMP table by using command select star from EMP. It will show all the records of EMP table. Here I inserted 3 rows, means 3 records. Now we will start our Anaconda command prompt for installing our driver, that is the MySQL Python connector. First of all we will activate our virtual environment that is called base. After this just write installation command, that is the pip install MySQL dash connector dash Python. You must have a high speed internet connection, then just press insert button and 2 or 3 minutes it will take to install MySQL Python connector driver. If you are using Anaconda, then you will have to write another command, that is the conda space install space dash c space Anaconda space MySQL dash connector dash Python, and after this command enter button. This will install your driver for connecting MySQL. Now after installation of driver, we will have to check whether driver installed successfully or not. For this we will write this command in Notepad: import mysql.connector And after writing this command, we will run this program in Anaconda command prompt. Here our program name is MySQL 1. You saw no any error. It means our driver installed successfully. Now let's start coding. Second command we will write from MySQL.connector import error. This will use for error detection and correction in exception handling. Now first block, that is the exception handling try block, we will write. Now we will create a connection. MySQL.connector.connect, then parenthesis. Now we will write all details about our database, like first of all is host, that is the local host. This is the IP address of our Apache web server, that is the local host. So here I will write localhost, comma. Second one is our user, that is root, comma. Next password, that is 1234. Next is a database, that is the CCC. Character set. Here we are using Unicode True Font 8 as a character set for this program, that is called UTF-8, and then closing of our parentheses. We have created our connection. We'll create query to run. Here we will create a string named query. Query equal to select star from emp, that will show all the records of our table. Next is creation of cursor. By using cursor we can execute our query. So we will have to first create cursor using connection. cor equal to conn dot cursor. Now we will execute our query using this cursor. cor dot execute, in bracket we will write query. This command will execute our query. After execution of this query, now we will get all the records by fetch commands. and we will store all these records in another compound called a record set. So record set equal to cur dot fetch all. Here I am using fetch all command for fetching all the records. You can use fetch first, fetch end to access different records. Here I am fetching all records. So here I wrote fetch all command. Next we will print number of records by using command. To get total number of records, we will use cur dot row count command. Now we will print all records of our table EMP. To do this, we will use for loop. For row in record set, here each row will be printed separately, and then we cut this row into different fields, columns. So here I will print first column, that was employee number, second employee name, and third one is city. So here we will write row bracket 0. This is the first column or field of our first row. Second is row 1, third one is row 2. In this way you can insert so many columns in your table and then print these columns. After this, now we will close our cursor. cur.close. We have created try section, try block of exception handling. Now we will create catch block of try block. If any error will come, then our cursor will come to catch block. That is the accept command. Accept error as E. Here E is the object of error class. Here I am printing if any error occur in this program, then it will print error in MySQL connection string. This is the accept part, catch part of try block, and last block that is called finally block. Finally block mostly come after attend and after exception handling. Here we will close our connection. If connection is open, then connection will be closed. So if connection dot is connected, we will write connection dot close. MySQL connection is closed. We have created our program successfully. Now we are checking indentation. If not proper indentation, then that may cause syntax error. So it is a must for us to watch indentation. Now we will save our program and run our program. No error, and the total number of records are 3. All 3 records are printed here correctly, but all 3 records are not sorted. So we will make some changes in our SQL query. Here I will order this SQL query in ascending order. I will sort. By default this query is sorted in ascending order. For sorting descending, you will have to write a DESC command at end of this query, at last of this query. I have made changes. Now you can see the changes. Here all 3 records are sorted out in ascending order. Thank you, and please subscribe our channel for new programs.